Goa Chief Amit Palekar slams BJP over alleged nomination bias. Opposition leader raises questions about fairness in party candidate selection. Special lecture to commemorate late Manohar Parrikar's 70th birth anniversary by Tejasvi Surya tribute event highlights the legacy and contributions of former Goa CM. Unauthorized advertisement sparks questions at Mapsa KTC bus stand. Public scrutiny mounts over unapproved promotional displays in transit hubs. Gokan catches seller peddling tobacco and gutka at Mapsa KTC bus stand. Authorities act against the illegal sale of restricted products in public spaces. Arpora fire tragedy, victims' remains returned home with dignity. The mortal remains of 21 victims of the Arpora fire tragedy have been respectfully transported to their home states Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Assam and West Bengal. DGP and SP hold press briefing on Romeo Lane fire incident. Top police officials address public concerns and outline the ongoing investigation. Fifth accused in Birch Club fire case brought to Anjuna police station. Police intensify investigation as authorities question another suspect in deadly nightclub blaze. Toxic molasses dumping sparks chaos at Kanakona. IDC environmental hazard causes panic among workers and locals at the industrial area. CM orders demolition of Romeo Lane after Arpora Club fire. Immediate action is taken to prevent future tragedies in fire-prone zones.